Hi, Brian Wenzel. Welcome to Orozco's Auto Service, previously known as Bob's Automotive. This has been my shop and my community for over 20 years. Just to let you know that we have a new look with the same principles and values to take care of your foreign and domestic vehicles, as well as fleets. Rest assured that all of your car needs and concerns will be taken care of. I know I can help you. For more information, go to orozcosautoservice.com.